Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best band saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Milwaukee 242921X-M12 cordless bandsaw. For one-handed precision cuts of your wooden or metal objects, you can't do better than the 242921X-M12 from Milwaukee. At 12.4 pounds, the M12 is not exactly light, but it's so effective that you're not going to be holding it out in front of you for 10 minutes at a time trying to cut the pipe. You'll slice through it like a hot knife through butter. In fact, the M12 will cut a 3/4 inch galvanized electrical conduit in a mere 3 seconds. Try doing that with your Sawzall. This is a versatile, powerful handheld saw powered by a lithium-ion battery that provides 150 cuts on a full charge. It has a 1 5/8 inch cutting capacity that makes it perfect for electrical or plumbing work, and the lack of a cord means you can bring the outstanding cutting power with you wherever you need it. As affordable as it is functional, it's our best choice. Make sure you also check our guide to the best circular saws for more great items like this. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DeWalt DWM120K Deep Cut Portable Band Saw. The DWM120K from DeWalt is a powerhouse of a portable bandsaw that's going to make short work of pipes, rebar, conduit, and anything else that stands in the way of you and the successful outcome of your project. The 120K features a best-in-class 10-amp motor and a 5-inch throat that's large enough for all your job site applications. That 10-amp motor features 2 different speeds that will slice through hardwood or metal in seconds, and the LED sight light ensures your cut is spot on, time after time. The 120K sports a multi-position bail, an adjustable front handle so you always obtain the optimal grip, and rubber bumpers for and after that protect it from the full range of job site hazards. If there's a downside to this outstanding piece of power equipment, it's the price. Although in this case you really will be getting what you pay for. At number 3, we have the Skil 338601 2.5 amp 9-inch bandsaw. The 338601 Skil band saw occupies a gray area between a full-sized standalone industrial band saw and the type of handheld models we looked at above. With a powerful 2.5 amp motor and the ability to bring both hands to bear on your setup and cut process, you're going to get professional results on hardwood floors, custom furniture, framing, or any other project you apply it to. The blade on the 338601 is full 59 inches long, and although the motor operates at a single speed of 2,800 feet per minute, (FPM), that's an ideal speed for a full range of wood-related applications. The 338601 features rack and pinion adjustment, a rip fence for precise rip cuts, an articulating LED light, and it weighs only 38 pounds, so it's easy to take where the work is. You may also need an electric chainsaw, so make sure you check our guide. At number 2, we have the Makita XBP02Z 18 volts LXT cordless band saw. If you need a true metal band saw, the Makita 18 volts LXT cordless band saw is as good as cordless metal band saws get. It features a variable low-speed motor that is perfect for cutting everything from water pipes to rebar. 4.75-inch cutting depth, and because safety should always be concern number 1 with power tools, a lock-off trigger switch to prevent accidental startups. The lithium-ion battery charges fast. The integrated LED light ensures you can always see what you're doing, and the onboard wrench storage means you won't have to retreat to the toolbox to make adjustments. Other notable features include rubber bumpers around the periphery, the rubberized soft grip handle, the integrated tool hook, and the adjustable stopper plate. And finally, at number 1, we have the WEN 3962 2-speed band saw with stand. The WEN bandsaw 3962 is a true standalone saw with a 3.5 amp motor and a 72-inch blade. It can cut to a depth of 6 inches and has a throat 9 3/4 inches wide. You have the option of running it at 1520 or 2620 fpm depending on the material, and the miter gauge and rip fence ensure you'll always get the clean, crisp cuts you need. The 3962 is easy for one person to assemble and can either be used on the included steel bench or as a benchtop bandsaw. The worktop can be angled up to 45 degrees, and with 6 inches of depth your resaw options are better than on most benchtop, and even some standalone models. Considering everything you get for the price, it walks away with our best value designation. This also makes a great DIY gift for a handyman in your life. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.